Hi, my name is Katrina Naish and I'm the founder and director of A Fitting Connection, established in 2017. We pivoted to be running textile waste workshops where we're teaching the community about the textile waste problem and educating them also on upcycling and also upskilling in the mending and sewing area. A Fitting Connection came to be because I had a passion for the community and I wanted to see children taking textile waste and turning it into a revenue stream for their school, and while they're doing that they're learning and having fun. Our mission is all around educating our community and helping them be more purposeful with their ownership, but giving them life skills and solutions that they can do at home. Something that's quite exciting this year is that we've opened up our creative community space within Banyule Nillumbik Tech School. We've got a little small area where we have resource recovery for textiles and craft supplies. Every workshop, somebody works out with a big smile on their face. They've learnt something new and they've got a new skill to take home, and that makes us happy.